Welcome everyone to the OpenMappingLab YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer JOSM preferences to a new Windows PC. We'll be moving your plugins, custom presets, and saved preferences from JOSM on your old computer to a new one. First, open your computer's AppData directory and copy the JOSM folder from inside the roaming folder. Next, use a hard drive or USB stick to transfer that folder to your new Windows computer. On the new computer, paste the JOSM folder back into the same AppData roaming location. Once that's done, double-check to make sure all files have been copied correctly. Finally, open JOSM on the new PC. If everything was successful, all your plugins, custom presets, and preferences will appear exactly as they did on your original setup. In upcoming videos, I'll continue sharing more tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of JOSM. Thank you for watching the OpenMappingLab YouTube channel.